Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in into your online bank account of Wells Fargo. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in the link, that is .wellsfargo.com. So after you type in the link, you'll be taken to its outside, and right on this page, first of all, you need to select the type. As you can see, there are multiple tabs. So in my case, I have a personal, so I'm going to go tap on personal. And as I tap on the personal account, on the left hand side bar, there will be a login field. In order to log in into your account, provide any username and password and click on the sign on button. As soon as you've done that, if the information provided is valid, then you'll be logged into your account. Or if the information provided is invalid, then you'll be asked to retype in once again, and you can confirm it by retyping it. However, if you're unable to log in after trying for several times, what else you can do is you can simply scroll down and click on forgot username or password, and then you'll be directed to the help center page where you'll be instructed on how you can recover your account. So that is how you can log in into your online bank account of Wells Fargo. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.